He just got in the car and he said, why it smell like dog food in here? Well, why it smells like McDonald's in here. I'm sorry. But he just put dog food. So does McDonald's food smell like dog food? Oh, man. It does kind of smell like McDonald's.
Fish oil.
Not good. Ugh. Stay away from McDonald's.
You've been vlogging all every stop.
Just about. Yep. I didn't get the property. Yep. I did. I forgot the property. So we went look at some property. That's a street over from the property that we bought. We called, inquired about the price because we do have a lot of acreage that my husband have to cut, or both of us have to cut, and sometimes other people help us cut it. So my husband really would like something with less acreage, but I think we should keep it because we sitting on like a great piece of property that's worth a lot of money, and it's just going to continue increasing in value. So I didn't get that